Okay, so this is a 8-day follow-up. We used 2 different base coats. So we used, on this hand, we used the matte one. Yes. And on this hand, we use the Strong Start. So on this hand, we use ESSIE Smoothie. And this is, on this hand, we use Strong Start. On both hands, we used the Good to Go top coat. So the only difference is the base coat. And okay, so first of all, the top coat, I don't really see a lot of shrinking, so that's good. So it needs to be applied a little bit thinner. And the base coats, I really don't see any difference. There is some chipping on this, there's only wear, some chipping, maybe a little bit more on this. And let's see the thumbs. Pretty much the same, I would say. Yeah, they look the same. Maybe this one a little bit better, which is a good thing because I like this base coat actually a little bit better. Okay, so this is it.